Good morning, friends. Myself, Mrs. Shariu Deshmukh from Mahatma Phule College, Varud, District Amravati, and thank you for the giving me this opportunity in a conference on the contribution of the various aspects in the national building. Then my title of the paper is Phytochemical and the Hydromedicinal Studies of the Aromatic Plant Ocimum americana. Then introduction of this plant. Ocimum americanum is a wild plant and it belongs to family Lamiaceae, commonly known as the sabja. Then the culinary, medicinal and the industrial importance of this plant lead to explorer its chemical and the ethnomedicinal property. Then plant is traditionally as an the analgesic, anti-inflammatory, anti-stress, eradication protection and the anti-diabetic activity. It's very useful for the ethnomedicinal study. Then locally plant collect from Dr. Panjabrao Deshmukh Krishi Vidyapit Agriculture. That I collect it from PDKV Forest Nagpur. Then it belongs to family Lamiaceae. Then botanical name of this plant is the Ocimum americanum. Then vernacular name of this plant is sabja, and flowering and fruiting time is August and the April. Then study area. I collect this plant in PDKV forest from Nagpur district, and the plant identified in the systematic laboratory, that is the RTM University campus, Nagpur University, in Nagpur University, Nagpur. Then I got results. I got GCMS analysis result from did it Indian Institute of the Technology, Powai, that is IIT Bombay. Then methodology, the fresh and dried leaves of this, I collect fresh and dried leaves of the Ocimum americanum and powder of the Ocimum americanum. Then uh, result and discussion of this plant's leaves. That first table shows that the chemical composition of the Ocimum americanum. I got four contain of uh, of this leaves of the plant, that is the 3-dimethyl trifluoroethyl ester. Second contain is the dry acetal. Then third is the Ocimum dibromine, and the fourth is the dicellonyl, that is the decoic acid. The molecular formula is decoic acid is a 312 3H38O4. Then it's contained biological activity, that is the antioxidant activity having in the decoic acid. Then first contain compound shows the antioxidant activity, and the third compound shows the anti-cancer compound activity. Then second table shows the graphical representation of the Ocimum americanum plant. Then ethnomedicinal uses of the Ocimum americanum. The aromatic oil found in the 5% in the 3-gram dry leaves powder of the Ocimum americanum. Then recently the plant has been listed in the potential medicine against the cancer. It is one of the important use of the ethnomedicinal use of the this plant. Then whole plant is used in the bath to treat rheumatism, renal colic acid and the calcifications. Then Ocimum americanum has been planted on a large scale in the Commonwealth, that is the independent state, the Kenya and the Pakistan. The production of the camphor, which has the medicinal and the industrial application, it is very important medicinal use. Then Ocimum americanum used to treat inflammatory and the allergic condition. Then leaves paste is used in the treatment of the skin disease, and it is also applied on the wound and the burns that are not healing well. I applied in my patient, that is the paste of the given area, infected area of wound, and leave 2 3 hours, and the wash it after that. But it is very good activity, good use of the leaves paste. Then discussion of this topic. The present investigation was carried out by, it belongs to family Lamiaceae, and the present medicinal active phytochemicals in the leaves. and it is very important in the in medicinally and ethnomedicinary importance of this contain. Then phytochemicals compound may be responsible for the observed antibacterial activity of the plant leaf extract. Then the medicinal plant Ocimum americanum is being used traditionally for the treatment of the inflammation, that wound healing, then antiseptic, carminative, then it also activity of the cough, exploratory, and the some fungal infection. The antibacterial activity has been attributed to presence of the some active constitute in the extract, and it is shown that aromatic odor taste is slightly pungent and the texture is smooth of the Ocimum americanum were found, then as seen in the table as shown in the earlier. Then different compound were determined from the leaves of the Ocimum americanum, and that compound is used in the various activities, that is the in the medicinally active compound having I have found in the leaves of the Ocimum americanum. Then I have concluded this topic. The present investigation result confirm that the validation of the leaves of Ocimum americanum plant have the ethnomedicinal value in the ancient medicinal tradition, and the plant leaves contain some phytochemical compounds compounds with the antimicrobial properties. That is, the decoic acid is present in the leaves that is useful against the fever, splenic ulcer, inflammatory disease, wounds such as the antimicrobial infection, analgesic, antifungal, arthritis, anti-cancer, eye disease, anti-fertility, and chorionic fever, and the antimetric cardioprotective activity having the activity is found in the this compound, that is a decoinic acid. In the protective antioxidant supplement, loose dry powder may be used after the GCMS analysis. That this study assumed that the loose dry powder used for the new formulation and the potent antimicrobial drug of natural origin, and the analysis of all the claims clearly indicates the potential of the plant to be excellent analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory drug, which needs to be validated, and it is very important compound found in the leaves of the Ocimum americanum. So these are the reference of the my papers. So thank you very much giving this opportunity for the oral presentation in the in this conference. Thank you very much.